Welcome to the Big Braid Show. I'm your host, Mr. Big Braids, coming to you live from reservation somewhere, taking a look at BTC and the rest of the market. Getting a little bit late here. I was out on the town. Can't go any place these days. Shootings everywhere, man. Got out of there just in time, but anyways, we got BTC going in at 23,998. You know, Mr. Big Braids has been around and seen a lot of things, so it's just another day in the neighborhood for me. But we got BTC going in at 23,998. Are we going to start seeing some lower price action here? We are setting up with this action here. Couldn't quite get over that 24,686. As you can tell, we had a week off up pretty close to that 25,442. Looks like it was testing that resistance. Started seeing some movement back down to some lower prices. Had that big red candle there. We got to keep an eye on that 23,356 as far as seeing some lower price action. I got my eyes on that. I got some stacks ready to buy in at some lower price action. You know, I'm out here looking for that lower price action. Definitely looking for it. I've been keeping my eyes on a lot of projects out here. We did get a lot of movement out here in the market. We still got people calling for some higher price action. I'm definitely on board and ready to go, but I'm also ready to buy at some all-time low-ass prices too. So, you know, I'm out here looking for that price action. I was definitely keeping my eyes on the price action across the board. We have Jasmine out here, trying to make some movement up to the upside. Still got that bearish butterfly scenario. It's been holding above that double low digits for quite some time, getting some awesome accumulation across the board. We got AP at 625. Looks like it's starting to make that movement back down to that lower price action like we were talking about in the last few videos. Pretty sure we had a grid set up, but we'll get that grid set back up again. Looks like the Wi-Fi might be going a little bit slow on the mountain here, but looks like we had some movement up to the upside. We hit that area of interest that we were talking about, and we had that move back down to some lower price action. So we'll get that set up for tomorrow. We got COV making some movement up to the upside. Got that little short squeeze up to the upside. You know, where we looking at here? You know, a lot of people out here lurking around on COV, but like I've been saying in the past few weeks, a lot of coins are, you know, making those runs up to like getting those short squeeze areas in, and you know, I mean, anything's possible. BTC made its run up to that, you know, cut that short squeeze in, and are we going to start seeing some bullish moves to the upside? COV's been underneath that 0.0161 support for quite some time, and I got my eyes on that 0.0363 as far as getting that short squeeze up to the upside and then getting some pull back down to some lower price action. We'll keep an eye on that price action, see where we're going, but if we can get over that 0.0363, grab some support consolidation and start making some movement up over this 0.05 area, definitely look like we can get some definitely decent recovery, moves to the upside. Been getting that definite downward trend for quite some time. Really very bearish on COV. Was holding on for some, you know, quite some time. It's been holding that price action to finally get some movement up to the upside. So are we setting up on a bull trap, or are we setting up with higher prices? We still got a lot of people talking about higher prices, and I'm just like, you know, where are you guys seeing this stuff at? You know, we got layoffs happening at Apple. We got layoffs happening across the board. We haven't really still hit. You know, we still haven't even really talked about what's going on in the market today. Are we in the recession? Are we, you know, every day it's something different. So, but, you know, there's definitely money to be made out here in the market across the market. We just definitely got to get creative. But you always remember this is not financial advice. They're my views and opinions on the market only. And you always got to do what's right for you. So keep an eye on that 0.0363 area. You know, what's to be made with the COV. Definitely we'll take a look at what's going on. But yeah, like I said, a lot of coins have been getting that sort of squeeze up to the upside and then getting that moves back down to the downside. So everybody starts calling rally and everybody starts buying it here, all the newbies, and then pretty soon we're getting this pull back down and everybody's panic selling again and then talking smack about crypto's a scam and all that kind of stuff. But you know, when you're getting those low bottom prices, your money just moves different. So taking across the board, BLZ's been holding around just that area, creepy crawly action. Looks like it's testing that support as well. So definitely interesting to see where we're going with that. Shiba's definitely making some moves up to the upside. It's definitely excited to see what's going on. Everybody's been talking about that Shibarium. They got a new game coming out as well. So we'll get some more info on that tomorrow. And yeah, sounds pretty interesting. They're doing a lot of good things in the gaming world. So I'm definitely excited to see where we're going with that. Doge getting a little bit of love up for 8 cents. Keep OGN, of course, getting some love. Origin token. I've been just out here keeping an eye on that price action. I've been excited to see where we're going with OGN. So a lot of people still getting some love out there in OGN. Got my eyes on some EVT coming out amazing price action, $1.46. We got Mona coming in at $8.32. YFII at $16.38. And you know I'm out here looking for those lower price actions. We got EWT coming in at $3.86. So JUP, let's take a look. Looks like it had a little bit of move to the downside finally, and yeah, looks like it had some consolidation down to some lower prices, and here we are looking towards getting that bearish butterfly scenario. So I'd definitely be out here looking for some lower price action. You know, I definitely be out here looking for some double O digits. I've been talking about those double O digits on Jupiter for a while. Was I gonna get it? Could be wishful thinking. Just remains to be seen. So definitely keep an eye on that price action. We'll see where we're going into tomorrow. I know it's early in the morning, but I wanted to get a video out. And as far as the last video as well, I had that post. I checked it today, and I was like, "What happened?" I was like, "It said it got abandoned," and I was like, "Oh, did I say something wrong? Did I talk about something I wasn't supposed to?" And I don't see no dings, so I should be okay. But yeah, we definitely had a video posted on Saturday. It did quite load. I'm still just didn't get through. So, but here we go. Definitely we'll keep this one short at 6:24. I know I got kind of long-winded on the last one. I think it was about 12-13 minute video, so that's probably a big reason why I didn't post. So, but I had a lot to talk about, so I'll continue to split them down to these 5 to 7 minute videos. So, but definitely keep an eye on that price action. Just want to do a quick video to update, and we'll do a full sit tomorrow for the Tuesday show. So everybody out there, let's take a look at that. Y'all's have a good afternoon. Hope y'all's had a awesome Monday evening, and definitely excited to see where we're going with all this price action. So for everybody and all the coins we talked about tonight, good luck. And you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So you always have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night. Mr. Big Braids is signing out.